Hi guys, in this video I am gonna to teach you how to make vegetable biryani. So let's get started. First of all I will show the ingredients list. The ingredients are 400 grams, 14 ounces basmati rice, 2 tablespoons grated fresh root ginger, 2 tablespoons grated garlic, 2 green chilies, thinly sliced, 2 teaspoons garam masala, 2 teaspoons ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 200 grams, 7 ounces Greek-style yogurt, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 50 grams, 1 3/4 ounces fresh coriander, finely chopped, plus extra to garnish, 20 grams, 3/4 ounce fresh mint leaves, finely chopped, plus extra to garnish, 300 grams, 10.5 ounces sweet potatoes, peeled and cut into 15 mm cubes, 200 grams, 7 ounces cooked beetroot, cut into 15 mm cubes, 200 grams, 7 ounces green beans, cut into 2 cm, 3/4 inch lengths, 200 grams, 7 ounces peas, thawed if frozen, 1 teaspoon crushed cardamom seeds, 2 teaspoons cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, 200 grams tin chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 3 tablespoons butter, melted, 2 tablespoons double cream, warmed, large pinch saffron, salt and freshly ground black pepper. To serve. 2 onions, thinly sliced and dried on kitchen paper. Vegetable oil, for frying. Dried rose petals. Now the method is. Step 1. Rinse the rice in cold water until it runs clear, then soak in water for 25 to 30 minutes. Step 2. Meanwhile, mix the ginger, garlic, chilies and dry spices with the yogurt, lemon juice, coriander and mint and season well. Blend in a food processor until fairly smooth, then mix with the vegetables and leave to marinate. Step 3. Drain the rice and cook in a saucepan of boiling salted water with the cardamom, cumin and bay leaf for 6 to 8 minutes, or until al dente. Drain well and mix with the chickpeas. Step 4. Preheat the oven to 200 C, 180 C fan, gas 6. Step 5. Mix together the melted butter, cream and saffron in a small bowl. Step 6. Put a lidded flameproof casserole dish over a medium-low heat. Tip in the vegetables and their marinade. If the yogurt is very thick, add a splash of water, and cook for 6 to 8 minutes, or until starting to soften. Season well. Spoon the rice evenly over the top and pour over the saffron mixture. Cover tightly and bake for 30 minutes. Step 7. Meanwhile, fill a deep pan 1/3 full of oil and heat until bubbles form around a chopstick dipped into it. Caution, hot oil can be dangerous. Do not leave unattended. Fry the onions in batches until golden and crisp. Drain on kitchen paper. Step 8. Serve the biryani with the crispy onions and scatter over the dried rose petals, coriander and mint. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for latest updates.